Hi, my name is Eunice, and I would like to welcome to a new employer for attending my presentation. Today I will be discussing the differences between mathematics and numeracy, outlining how my numeracy skills will assist me to teach mathematics and how young children engage with and learn mathematics. Many people believe mathematics and numeracy are the same concept, but there are differences between mathematics and numeracy. According to the Australian curriculum, numeracy is immersed across the curriculum for students to have the opportunity to apply their mathematical skills and knowledge outside their mathematics classroom and around the world. If students can develop their mathematical knowledge and skills and use it in their real life confidently, they will become numerate. Some of the mathematics knowledge and skills about teaching and learning will be teaching the students the concepts such as money, algebra, measurement, statistics, geometry, probability, and counting numbers. Then, when the students use the skills they learn in school, such as learn how to count the money, and apply it as they accompany with their parents to buy some grocery, or when they measure how many flours or milk they need during baking, that is numeracy. Based on my understanding, mathematics is defined as the academic subject knowledge that is more theoretical and is usually taught in the classroom, while numeracy is the ability to utilize and apply mathematics knowledge in everyday real life and is more practical. Mathematics is a subject that I have mixed feeling about it. Sometimes I feel nervous, scared, happy, sad, angry, impatient, and other range of emotion. Back when I was in my own country, mathematics is like a competition, my only strong subject, a subject that I'm able to do it well. But it never was. I was having a hard time to understand the concept and how it worked out until my mom got me a tutor which helped me to understand the concept and made me do a lot of practice question, therefore increase my mark. As they always said, in order to succeed in mathematics, you have to do a lot of practice question. But I never enjoyed mathematics, as it was a subject I must do it well because it is the only subject I can do. When I got a B, my parents would say that that's not good enough. You should work harder to get an A, at least 80% and above. Even though I never enjoyed mathematics, I still pick it every year as I must pick mathematics as a subject. Until when I reached my final year of high school, I just realized I started to like mathematics, started to fall in love with it, at the same time hate it. But most of the time, I do kind of enjoy it, mathematics, as I started having a lot of support from my lovely friends and teacher throughout my studies. Although my mathematics and numeracy skills are not the best, I believe my past and the current feeling of mathematics that I have will impact on my teaching by assisting me in making sure I build engagement and foster enjoyment within my classroom. I hope my enjoyment of mathematics will continue to stay so my future children will enjoy mathematics, as I don't want them to see mathematics as a competition or afraid of getting it wrong or sad because they couldn't get a good mark, or even impatient of not understanding it well. For example, I will implement and create different types of more fun and engaging mathematics games that engage them and teach them about mathematical concepts to promote their understanding, which I didn't have a chance to experience that when I was a child. So how does children engage with and learn mathematics? Young children have started engage with and learn mathematics with their parents, as their parents are their first and most influential educators. They start to develop mathematical concepts through everyday experience, such as at home, as they are having interaction with their parents, and mathematical language, such as during comparing sizes, touching objects with different shapes, learn to differentiate patterns and colors, measurement when cooking, and learning how to count numbers. This experience enabled them to build solid foundation understanding on mathematical concepts before they commence schooling and facilitate them using mathematical knowledge and skills in the community. It is one of the most essential ways for children to acquire knowledge and skills through play, as it allowed children to explore hands-on learning, enhancing their social skills with objects and their friends. Children requires lots of practice to understand the fundamental concept by experiencing with concrete object. For example, playing geometry blocks when they're exposed to varieties of shapes such as squares, rectangular, and triangle, and have a deep insight on how shapes can form into the other shapes. For example, how many squares equals to rectangular, or how many triangles equals to squares. Thank you for listening.